Welcome back to another season of Western Roundup and a prosperous 2024 to you all. We're happy that you stayed with us and we look forward to keeping you informed this year. Today we have a very special program lined up for you. We have selected our top stories from last year and of course we have the highlights. Stick around.
2023 was a year of advancements in many areas of national life for Jamaicans. Let's look at some highlights. Farmers in Spring Garden, St. Ann were given improved access to their fields through the rehabilitation of a 350-meter stretch of roadway that will ensure better transportation for their produce.
And when I look at the pictures of the road before, it was clear to me that unless you had a SUV or some of the sort, you couldn't make it down here, right? And most of the farmers would have to resort to foot in order to access their grounds and to bring out the produce.
Spring Garden is one of 6 areas in St. Ann to benefit from the Farm Road program this financial year. For the farmers in Spring Garden, this development introduces an easier way of life for which they are immensely grateful.
I am living here over 40 years, and for the longest while, for over 40 years, I can remember this road is into a really terrible condition. Now I am so happy that it has been fixed and I can take out my farming produce. It has helped so much of us here in this community, and I want to say thanks to everybody that make it possible.
I have already heard the cause and the concerns that you need another phase, and as your MP has said, once you ask for it, you can consider it done. Because we are going to ensure that you get the encouragement you need to keep on farming.
Farmers in Clarkstown, Trelawney were not left out as they benefited from the commissioning of a new pumping station, ramp and water truck. The commissioning is expected to facilitate a massive leap for farming in the parish.
I know a number of farmers will reap the benefits of these investments. What we're doing is not just preparing for now, but ensuring that as we move forward, we're better able to serve. We will be handing out today to some of our farmers our storage tanks and also some drip hoses so that you can start the process of outfitting your farm to utilize the water that we're providing efficiently.
I feel extremely grateful because over the past couple of months I have lost dramatically in production because of the drought, and with these irrigation system I know for a fact that I will regain all what I have lost.
Tourism flew to greater heights as the country welcomed North Atlantic Airways' inaugural flight to the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James. This new airway will boost the country's economy by providing improved access to Jamaica and all that it has to offer.
This new partnership with North Atlantic Airways makes Jamaica even more accessible to visitors from the UK and across Europe. We are proud that Jamaica continues to be seen as a leading global tourist destination with many new developments.
We really believe that the Caribbean market is interesting for our European segment, and first and foremost Jamaica, because Jamaica represents the blend of almost every type of travel demand, from leisure to business to the mix of it.
We thank North for taking on the opportunity to serve this airport. This airport, coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic, will likely register 5.2 million passengers this year. That's my forecast. We can haggle a little bit about it. But I tell you, with North, we can probably push that up to 5.3. Let's see how that goes. Welcome, North.
The Harmony Beach Park in St. James now has free public Wi-Fi services following a collaboration between the Universal Service Fund USF and the Urban Development Corporation UDC. The initiative, which was launched at the facility on December 15, forms part of the government's broader effort to create comfortable and connected spaces for the public. The public Wi-Fi service will allow for more than 200 residents to simultaneously access high-speed service while at the facility.
We have to move aggressively at ensuring other areas in Jamaica have this kind of environment. That students and all members of SEC can come here and feel relaxed. Students here today can come back and get their access on the beach. You can do a bit of homework on the beach. The lights are here and the internet is here.
For his part, General Manager of UDC, L. Robert Honeygan, said the Wi-Fi initiative at the Harmony Beach Park goes beyond connectivity, as it also creates inclusive and sustainable development for all Jamaicans in the digital age.
This initiative aligns seamlessly with the vision for Jamaica's future, a future where every citizen has access to the tools and resources needed to succeed in an increasingly interconnected world.
We will continue to do what we must do just to make sure our country is provided with this closure in terms of availability, accessibility, and affordability of the internet service.
That's all for our program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send us your feedback to gisbabe@gis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.